Kirteng jong kiba select ha post jong follower select list of candidate for the post of follower ha ki post whatever ki sweeper ki la kajong candidate ki long Slan Dominic Shabong on reserve ka sweeper Sal Jagring Marak garu kategori sweeper Chisrang M Sangma sweeper Jompo Star Marthong ka sijenta sweeper Job Star Sonlong Stage Cook Don Bok Maring Cook Stilin Jarwa Cook Elios Makri Cook Ban Rap Lang Mauplang sweeper Kenrok Lang Sentem sweeper Hepstar Linkoi Barbar Donald Wilson Hujon Cook Saljarang Mumin Barbar Skylin Yaupnyo Cook Redchat Chambugong Marak sweeper Meban Sain Borlang Pathau sweeper Rajob Kodor Lingdo Cook Hermid Khar Cook Asterius Makri Cook Lotingson Disangma Barbar Bijoy Armarak Cook Kiro Bahapala Cook Nevar and Areng Cook Seng Ram Disangma Cook Shibun Suyam Cook Medun Har Rabha sweeper Justin Lapasam Cook Anling Kurba Cook Shales Shabong Cook Elbring Umba Cook Meshan Kandaj Cook Rabborlang Marwen Cook Salban and Sangma Cook Riskami Suchiang Cook Chasang and Marang Cook Swellington Pale Cook Arbib Walang Kartik Dahar Dilak Marak Cook Pirosh Marak Barbar Shangan Borlang Lingdo Lingkoi Cook Bin Rablang Tariang Cook Ejash Marak Cook Lakon Dakar Barbar Alan Bandar Rambai Cook Bilakson Sech Marak Barbar Clement Lang Lingkoi Barbar Gagan Aldris and Marak Barbar Baj Michela Cook Cornelius Lingdo Cook Chiang Rak M Sangma Kaljin E Sangma Teman Armarak Sengkri E Sangma Ardip B Marak Perison and Sangma Salman B Marak Crashwell CH Marak all Cook in Cook category selected and Gilbert Marak Bernard M Sangma Tapsrang P Sangma Tapsrang R Sangma in Cook category and Prangstar G Lingdo Lingkoi Barbar M Bhawan Lamare Barbar Malojans H Marak Washbat R Marak Rambang Sangma Star News Marak Ginseng Sangma Kampon Singh W Sangma Lindrik M Sangma Wilson G Mumin Augustine H Sangma Noash Marak Pasang CH Sangma. These are all the selected candidates for the different posts of Barbarma. And now, sampai jika kita jong pi keteng di bawah pilak syak select haki post kita per kepada jong ka follower jong Mikhail Police tenam ta ka tarik ban report pada ka appointment baru kinsa pentip yang hadir kinsa ai ka notice. Nanti jong tip kuliah